How to export video in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device and then select any of the project that you want to export. So just select on the project over here. I've selected this project over here. Now you can make any of edits that you want, from adding the audio to making an edit, adding text, or if any effects as well as filters. So for example, if I just want to add the text over here, so let's just say I have added this text of hello. After adding the text and done all with my editing, what you can do is you can see the quality section over here at the top of the screen. You can select the resolutions from the frame rate and your code rate as well. After doing all of this, you can tap on export over here, which is at the top right corner. Then you just have to wait until it gets exported. So you should not be closing the Capcut application or locking your screen while it is exporting, so because it will end its exporting process. So just wait for a while and there you have exported your video in Capcut. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.